The Friday Smart Lock is a retrofit deadbolt lock. You're going to keep the outside of your existing deadbolt lock so you still have use of your key, and you're going to replace the inside of the lock with your smart lock. It has metal mechanical parts for strength. It uses encrypted technology for safety. The lithium-ion battery has a 3-month runtime, and you get a USB charger. The shell on the inside of the lock comes in a variety of colors, and you can use this to manually open and close the lock. You control the lock with an app on your phone, so you can open it and close it. You can also check when you're away from your house whether it's locked or unlocked, and you can give access to other people so they can lock it and unlock it with an app on their phone, and then you can take away access. It's set up so when you come home and the lock senses your phone, it'll automatically unlock for you, and if you open and shut the door and you don't lock it, it'll automatically lock it. It works with Apple HomeKit, and I'll put some more information underneath the video.